Hi, it's Justin with MarineMax in Charleston, and I'm aboard a brand new 2025 Boston Whaler 330 Vantage. Let's check it out. I'm up in the bow of the 330 Vantage. Let's take a look at some of the features this offers. Ample amount of seating. We can have opposing seating, plenty of space. The knees are not going to touch. Full-grown adult can lay out here and lounge comfortably. We got radio controls on the port side. You'll see angled JL audio speakers, so you get really maximized enjoyment of the audio. And let's take a look up here. You see these two rod holders? It's for a bow shade, so you can have shade with a nice hardtop. Lounge out here if you don't want to be in the sun under the shade. And then here we have anchor windlass controls here at the bow. So if you wanted to anchor up at the sandbar, it makes it really easy. You have controls at the helm, also at the bow, and a beach boarding ladder, which is a really nice feature to get in and out of the boat off the sand. And one thing that I want to talk about, take a look at this protection that you got here. This large door gives you access to walk through and closes off for protection in inclement weather. This is an electrically actuated companion seat on the port side. It's very comfortable. We got bolster support so we can stand. They also flip down, and they engineered and designed this nice little footrest here so you can have a very comfortable experience on the boat. And as we transition further aft, you can see we have opposing seats here. Not only do we have a table that goes into the floor, if you didn't want to put that out, you have a nice little area to set your drinks or your sandwich to eat some lunch. Table easily deploys back into place, out of the way. One thing that I love on this boat is the thoughtfulness and the design and engineering. There's multiple seating configurations. So if you have someone like the kids that just want to lounge when you're on a long cruise, this is a very comfortable place to sit and do so. Also, when you have it down as a bench, you can sit across again. So very dynamic on the social aspect in this cockpit. Up here at the helm, one thing I want to point out about this captain's chair is very ergonomic and comfortable. Notice the vented seat back, so on a hot summer day, your back isn't sweating, you're getting airflow through it. It's really quite comfortable. Another thing that's nice is this seat is also electrically actuated up and down. So if you wanted to sit higher on the vantage point, you could, or you want to get low, click of a button and it automatically retracts up and down. The boat has an upgraded 16-inch Simrad screen. This is going to control all your engine information, boat information, chart plotter, and fish finder. We have lighting controls, switching controls, which can control the rear shade that actuates out electronically, making it easy for you. Air conditioning controls, so you can set your thermostat here to the temperature that you desire. Also, all your gauges are here, so it shows your fresh water level, your black waste level. We also have this boat equipped with a VHF radio, spotlight, and radar. Here we have the joystick. Makes it very easy to drive the boat. If I wanted to go laterally sideways, I push the boat sideways and the boat will go. If I want to spin the boat around, you twist the joystick and it spins around. It makes it so easy to operate this boat. We also have an opening vent hatch to allow air in. Push a button, it opens up and it lets a lot of air flow through to make it very, very comfortable in here. Really nice feature on this boat, the way we ordered it. Full windshield, as well as a weather curtain isinglass set, so we can enclose this entire cockpit in inclement weather, or if it's very hot outside and you wanted to close it off and run the air conditioner, it can be a nice climate controlled environment. Let's take a look at the accommodations in the head here on the port side. Nice solid door, locking handle. Let's take a look down here, plenty of space, really nice wood floor, nice amount of space down here. We have a light control, the Dometic air conditioning control. Then over here on the side is all of your electronics MVP power. Right here on the starboard side, we have a nice berth area. It is also air conditioned and has heat. Nice sitting area, as well as it converts to a bed if you wanted to take a little nap. And on this particular boat that we have here available in Charleston, we have the upgraded Deluxe prep station, which gives you freshwater sink, cup holders, pull-out refrigerator and freezer on the top, storage drawers, as well as a barbecue grill. And this runs all off an inverter system. And here aft starboard, we have a large insulated live bait well, so if you wanted to do some fishing, you can keep your bait alive. Easily accessible right here in the transom of the boat. One really unique feature, and I love on this boat, easy to board, easy to swim, is the starboard side dive door. I'm gonna open this up and show you, and what's really nice is there's a 4-rung dive ladder that goes in here, and you can see down. We are not too far up off the water, so it makes getting in and out of the boat extremely easy. And on any floating dock that you come up to, it's in line with that, so you can step off and transition off the boat with ease. This boat's equipped with twin white V10 400 horsepower Mercury Verados. We're running right now You can barely hear them. We can have a conversation. It's a super quiet engine, plenty of power for this boat. We have an access door on the port side aft, so if you have small children or pets, we can close off the cockpit and they'll be safe. You don't have to worry about anyone falling out or jumping off the boat. That was a walkthrough tour on the 2025 Boston Whaler 330 Vantage. For more information, call the number on the screen or visit MarineMax.com. I'm Justin, and thanks for watching.